and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about voting and how to give rewards when a player decides to vote. And today we're going to be talking about vote rewards, and by using it you'll be able to increase the number of players in your server because they get rewards when voting. These rewards could be things such as kits, items, money. You could even set him in a group, for example making him VIP. You could give him XP and items. So to get started, you'll want to download the code from this link if you want to. But I've went ahead and saved you some time. Instead of compiling it, you'll just go to this link, which is in the description. And when you open it, just come inside of here and download it. Or you could just download it from the main website, but you'll have to compile it. If you feel safer, you could go for that option. So now you'll put the plugin in your server, go to Rocket plugins and paste it inside. But since I already have it, I'm just going to sort up my server. Okay guys, and now once your server is up and running, you'll go to the plugins folder and you'll come to vote rewards, which is over here. And you'll go to the config. I'll be using Notepad++ to edit it. So getting started, we want to take a look at this area because we need to achieve the API key, which will basically connect your server with the voting website. And once you connect it, you could choose the rewards that you want. So let's start off by connecting it before we talk about the config. And we'll go to the unturned server list and you'll click on your server and click on already have a server. And here you will just add information. I'm going to be testing a server basically. Test server. Type in here a description, whatever you want. Description. And this is the banners that you choose for the server that you have basically. And this is the address. So I'll be getting an address of one of my friends that I know to try it out. And then you check connection. And once you check connection, it says the connection is good. You could add a URL for your server website, choose a country and TeamSpeak Discord to play with it. And here are the tags. You could go for deathmatch, normal, maybe gold as well, PvE or PvP, depending on your server. And then you register your server. Once you register it, you get the API key. And by the way, I'm going to be deleting this server, so I'm going to be showing my API. So here is the API, or you could just click on this area and copy it. And by the way, if someone steals your API key, you could generate a new one. And then you'll go back and paste it inside of here. Once you do that, you could save it. Now we could talk about the config. So we have the global announcement. It makes some kind of a global announcement whenever someone votes. And we have the vote page URL. You could change it by going to your server. Okay, so here is my server. You could just copy it, come back and make it like that. Then you Control S and you have the rewards that a player could take. And here is the list of the stuff you could choose. Let's talk about them in game. So we have the first one, which is the item. You give some items and you separate each item with a comma. It's somewhat of a kit. And this is the chance. So we could make the chance 30%. Then we could add another item and give it a chance as well. So we have the XP, and this is the value of the XP. And we have the group, so it sets him in group VIP, which is a chance of 10%. Let's make it on 5%. And then I add a new one, and we could, for example, make it another kit. Just remove some of these stuff, and yeah, make it like that, and set it on 15%. Now you add a large variety of items and different kits if you want to. You could even add a kit, but you'll need the plugin custom kits. Custom kit. And then you add basically, oh, it's slot variant, not custom kit. And it gives you some kind of kit and you could use it. And that's it for the config. Let's talk about the permission. Okay, so here is the permission config. You'll open it. And we have three different kinds of permissions. So the first one is going to be vote rewards.vote, which allows you to type in game/vote, and it opens the website that we linked in. And we have vote rewards.reward, which basically allows you to receive a reward. And finally, we have a give reward, which is basically an admin command which allows you to give someone a reward even if you didn't vote by just typing in game/reward and player name. Okay, so if you guys are wondering why would this increase the player count, it would increase the player count because by adding vote, you give players items and basically gives them some kind of a reward for voting, and this encourages people to vote. And especially if you have good rewards, you don't want to make it overpowered. You just want to have like normal rewards basically for voting every day. You could just add the vote rewards, and there's actually another plugin called Votifier, but I chose to talk about vote rewards in this video because it gives you more options basically, and I find it better. That's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.